Hi guys, today I'm going to show you Harry Potter Hogwarts. Just look at this. And there's going to be fireworks. I don't think they're starting right now, but I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to on it when the fireworks happen. So yeah, okay, bye guys. Hi guys, I'm back, and it has still not happened yet. So let's just wait. Wait, I think it's gonna happen now. I'll pause the video and unpause it when it happens, okay? So, bye guys. Guys, I just wanted to say that the thing I'm talking about is insane. Okay, so wait until the end. I'm gonna just pause the video, bye. Guys, there was just a loud noise, so I think it's starting. Is it? Come on. Bruh. Wait, it's starting now, I think it is. Yes! Yo! So cool! Bro! Look at this! Oh my god, holy moly, guacamole! Bro! Fireworks! I think Fred and George set off that in the movie, right? Am I right, guys? Comment down below. Wow, that was a bust. Guys, but this is the end of this video. Please like and subscribe. That was so good. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Bye.